Hello, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share one thing which I not discovered, which I realized some time back, and I thought it's really cool. Like if you see this series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 all the way up until n, it sums up to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Most of you must know this because this is a very famous series which can easily be derived. Like if you write the numbers like this, n minus 1 in reverse order, and sum it up, well, the sum of each term over here is n plus 1. There are total n terms, so into n for that, and that is twice the original sum. So take the 2 over here, so s is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That's the general proof on how to do this. But if you notice, n into n plus 2 is also n plus 1 c2. This realization fascinated me a lot, so I decided to actually see how you can derive this relation using permutations and combinations. So what is n plus 1 c2? Well, suppose you have n plus 1 people and you want to choose any two of them. Like this is n plus 1 people, and like suppose this and this person, that's one combination, this and this person, that's another, these two and these two, like that. So the total number of combinations where you can select two of these n plus 1 people is n plus 1 c2. Well, one more way of finding out n plus 1 c2 other than using the formula which I've already shown over here, well, we can see that the first let's suppose that the first person is there in every combination. So the number of combinations of that is, well, he can either be with this person or this person or this person all the way up until this person. So the first person can be with n number of people. Now let's take the second person, this person over here. Well, he can be with all of these people once more except this person, because this combination has already been counted in this n. So the second person has n minus 1 options, and like that the third has n minus 2 options, all except number 1 and number 2. So like this, if you keep on going till n plus 1, you'll see that he doesn't have anyone left because he has already been included in all the combinations. So, well, the total number of combinations you get is n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Let's not count that. And that we know is n plus 1 c2, because that is the total number of combinations, total number of ways of selecting two people from n plus 1 group. And if you reverse the order, that'll get us to the first expression we had, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way up until n minus 1 plus n is equal to n plus 1 c2. And that is the derivation, the non-Gaussian derivation, like I love to say. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and comment on this video. If you like this video, comment that. If you did not like this video, then please comment what I can do to improve. And please subscribe to my channel for more mathy content, and share with your friends and other people who you think might find these types of videos interesting. Thank you for watching.